Polaroid Now Plus. It's the Polaroid camera you love plus so much more. Our Bluetooth connected app features full manual control, double exposure, light painting, noise trigger, and more. Bonus gift: the Polaroid Now Plus includes a bonus lens filter kit. Includes 5 creative lens filters: Starburst, red, Vignette, orange, yellow, and blue. Dual lens autofocus. Get the perfect shot automatically. The Polaroid Now Plus feature a dual zone, close-up standard, auto-switching hyperfocal optical lens system. Connected analog camera. The Polaroid Now Plus is our most creative camera yet. Unlock even more creative tools with the Polaroid app and easy-to-use Bluetooth connection. App available for iOS and Android. Full-featured, tripod mount ready, micro USB powered rechargeable battery, autofocus dual lens system, accurate flash, Bluetooth connected app and bonus 5 lens filter kit. Plus, the original Polaroid square format compatible with both I-type films and 600 films. Top reviews from the United States. This camera is awesome and is everything you hope it will be. But will you use it? Who knows? Film is expensive and tricky to store, so you will immediately be reluctant to waste shots. But while waiting for the perfect shots, you will find yourself simply leaving it at home. It's awesome and the pictures are great, but we haven't used it anywhere near as much as we thought we would. In fact, I forgot we had it until I was prompted to review it here. I think I will take it out today.